Would you still create content on YouTube if there was no monetization? Ensure that you do what you love and push out that thing you love in a way that will interest people. If these two aligns, absolutely money will come. Coming on out on YouTube or any other social media platform you choose is for yourself. First of all, it's for your own gratifications. One thing I realized was that the more I made videos, the more confident I became. Hi, you're welcome to today's video. And what is at hand is YouTube worth it? Recently, a fellow YouTuber reached out to me, and during our conversation, she asked me that question: that is YouTube worth it? So I had to sit down and think about it. That is YouTube actually worth it? Is it actually worth my time and energy? Okay, but I think I'll leave that to you. After this video, you decide if YouTube is actually worth it or not. We know that YouTube is this global platform where you can share your creativity, you can share your knowledge, you can share your passion about anything and everything here on YouTube. So, for me, before I will say whether YouTube is worth it or not, let me start this way. I'll say one of the hurdles has been for a lot of people has been one, fear of the unknown, you know, fear of starting out, fear of not knowing on if you be accepted in the space. Another thing has been commitment. You know, how would you be able to keep up with the pace or whatever pace you set for yourself of editing, posting, staying committed and consistent with whatever you've decided on doing? Number three has also been this fear of negative comments and things like. For me, negative comment doesn't have a space on my channel. Once I see it, delete straight up. I wonder why YouTubers forget that there is this delete option for negative comment. Any comment that is not positive, I just delete it. Another one has also been dealing with confidence. One thing I realized was that the more I made videos, the more confident I became. You can't just push out one video and you go expecting to be confident. No, looking back at as of when I started, I don't think I'm this confident to facing the camera and just opening my mouth to talk, something like that. Additionally, people also have this intention of when they post one video and they don't see 1 million likes or they don't see tons of likes and views, they just get discouraged. See, let me tell you one thing: nobody owes you likes or view. People are all out here trying to satisfy their own needs. So you making a video, if it doesn't, if they don't feel like liking, fine, they don't like. If they don't feel like commenting, fine. Or if they don't even feel like viewing, fine. You can't force them to do that. But what I'm here saying is that coming on out on YouTube or any other social media platform you choose is for yourself. First of all, it's for your own gratification before you most likely meet the needs of your viewers, if you understand what I mean. So for me, I would say another thing that has also been one of the reasons why people ask is YouTube what it might also be financially. Zero out that financial plan. Would you still create content on YouTube if there was no monetization or if there was no idea of being paid? For me, I would still say yes. I've gotten to a stage where I'm now on a, how will I put it, on an automatic mode where I just release videos like it's in my blood, likes or no likes. As long as I know that I'm dishing out something positive, that even if it's one person or two-person that gets maybe blessed by that video, I'm satisfied. So for you out there who haven't started your content creation journey, I want you to know one thing is that you are a content creator. You are a creator. Whether you are, as long as you talk, as long as you hear your opinion with your friends, that you are in the midst of your friends and you share one thing or the other, or you discuss with your family, what do you think about this? What do you think about it? And you still give out an opinion, or you still let what you think You let other people hear it. You are absolutely a content creator. The only thing is that you are not yet on social media. So I'm just using this video to encourage you that YouTube is worth it. Now, even if it's not worth it, I don't know whether it's not worth it for you financially, but it is worth it for you in sense of humanity. You are coming out here for yourself and also to help others or people in that shoe or in that light. But one thing I would like you to know is that ensure that you do what you love and push out that thing you love in a way that will interest people. If these two aligns, absolutely money will come. Absolutely, you will see this fulfillment. But the only thing that try to avoid burnout. Try not to make YouTube seem like a call or a job. Just ensure it flows naturally to you, where you are just on this spur of the moment where you just talk, create videos effortlessly. If you understand what I mean. Likes or no likes, got nothing on you. So I hope you found this video helpful. This is just for me a way to encourage you out there. If you've not started your content creation journey, please start. Pick up your phone and what do you do? Just talk. Thanks so much for watching this video. So please do well to like, share, and subscribe. If you'd like to enroll for my 3-month French course, please do well to use the link in the description box below. And I'll see you in another video. Bye for now.